Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set the action button to open the accessibility detection mode shortcut on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, go down and tap on Action Button. Next, in here, you want to swipe across until you can see it said Accessibility. Then tap on the drop down list. And then from here, tap on Detection Mode. And this will assign the Detection Mode shortcut to the Action button. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Now, whenever you need to open up Detection Mode, just simply press and hold on this Action button. So press and hold for a second, and this will open up detection mode, allowing you to detect objects or detect people or doors. Or you can detect text, so you can point and speak on the text. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.